Staring at a blank doc while deadlines loom? Are your headlines falling flat, CTAs underperforming, and brand voice shifting like sand? Our copywriting pack fixes that with AI powered frameworks for emotional impact scoring, conversion optimized landing page blueprints, drip campaign email generators with behavioral triggers, and tone shaping brand voice matrices. This is for freelance copywriters drowning in revisions, marketing managers battling inconsistent messaging, startup founders missing growth targets, and content teams stuck in endless feedback loops. Stop winging it. Let's turn writer's block into revenue streams. Here's what's inside the copywriting pack: headline analysis with emotion mapping algorithms, landing page architecture using F shaped pattern layouts and urgency stack formulas, email sequence generators with dynamic personalization layers, brand voice calibration using tonal consistency grids, conversion copy frameworks for social proof clusters and friction reduction microcopy. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just writing, it's engineering persuasion at scale. Installing the copywriting pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add copywriting-pack. That's it. The full workflow downloads instantly: headline analyzer, landing page modules, email templates, and brand voice engine. Your next Claude Code session auto detects the pack. Your AI assistant now understands optimize for scarcity bias and rewrite with conversational urgency. Changes sync across your entire toolkit. No more juggling 17 tabs trying to remember CTA best practices. We automated that too.